Hi, welcome to another video by The Plant Life. Today we will explore San Francisco Botanical Garden. San Francisco has near-perfect weather for growing a wide variety of vegetation. The temperature in Fahrenheit normally ranges between mid-50s in the evening to mid-70s during the day throughout the year. In December and January, the lowest it will go is mid-40s in the evening. San Francisco Botanical Garden has an incredible selection of plants around the world. Today, we will be exploring the Andean cloud forest and the Mediterranean garden. The Mediterranean basin straddles the continents of Africa, Asia, and Europe. It is also characterized by warm, dry summer and cool, wet winters. The Andean cloud forests are a unique and incredibly biodiverse region ranging from Venezuela to northern Argentina. If there are any houseplants or topics you want me to cover in future videos, feel free to put it in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to help with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching. Until next time, folks.